Feeling emotionally drained in your relationship can be overwhelming, but there's hope. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore 13 steps to help you breathe new life into your relationship and rediscover the joy of companionship. Chapter 1. Identifying the root cause. Every relationship has its ups and downs, but when did the negativity start creeping in? It's crucial to identify the root cause of emotional drain in your relationship. Sit down with your partner in a safe and comfortable space and have an open conversation about what's been weighing on both of you. Focus on understanding the underlying themes rather than getting caught up in specific arguments. By pinpointing the source of the emotional strain, you can begin to address it effectively. Chapter 2. Prioritizing self-care. Taking care of yourself is essential for maintaining a healthy relationship. Prioritize self-care by ensuring you get enough sleep, engaging in activities you enjoy, and nourishing your body with balanced meals. In the hustle and bustle of daily life, it's easy to neglect your own needs, but neglecting self-care can lead to burnout and resentment in your relationship. By replenishing your energy and focusing on your well-being, you'll be better equipped to bring positivity into your relationship and support your partner more effectively. Chapter 3. Communicating your needs. Effective communication is the cornerstone of a thriving relationship. Take the time to create a list of your basic requirements for happiness and share them with your partner. Encourage them to do the same. By openly communicating your needs and desires, you can work together to find sustainable solutions that benefit both of you. Remember, communication is a two-way street, so be sure to listen actively to your partner's needs and concerns as well. Chapter 4. Embracing compromise. Healthy relationships require compromise. Instead of focusing solely on individual interests during conflicts, prioritize the well-being of the relationship as a whole. Look for solutions that benefit both partners and be willing to make concessions when necessary. Compromise isn't about sacrificing your own needs or values. It's about finding common ground and working together to build a stronger, more resilient relationship. By embracing compromise, you can strengthen your bond and foster a deeper sense of understanding and cooperation with your partner. Chapter 5. Aligning your goals. Assess your relationship in key areas such as communication, trust, and growth. Work together with your partner to identify areas of strength and areas that may need improvement. By aligning your goals and aspirations, you can create a shared vision for the future and work towards building a stronger, more fulfilling relationship together. Remember, relationships are a journey, not a destination, so be patient and supportive as you navigate the highs and lows together. Chapter 6. Understanding attachment styles. Attachment styles play a significant role in shaping relationship dynamics. Take the time to learn about secure, anxious, and avoidant attachment styles, and reflect on how they may be influencing your interactions with your partner. By understanding each other's attachment styles, you can develop greater empathy and create a more supportive and secure relationship environment. Remember, attachment styles are not set in stone. They can change over time with self-awareness and effort. By fostering a secure attachment bond with your partner, you can create a more fulfilling and satisfying relationship. Chapter 7. De-escalating conflicts. Conflict is a natural part of any relationship, but it's essential to address disagreements constructively. Use techniques such as humor, physical touch, or taking breaks to de-escalate conflicts and create a supportive environment for resolution. By approaching conflicts with empathy and understanding, you can strengthen your connection and prevent emotional strain. Remember, conflicts are an opportunity for growth and understanding, so approach them with an open mind and a willingness to find common ground. Chapter 8. Owning up to mistakes. No one is perfect, and conflicts are bound to happen. When they do, it's important to take responsibility for your actions and apologize when necessary. By owning up to your mistakes and expressing empathy towards your partner's feelings, you can foster forgiveness and create a more positive atmosphere in your relationship. Remember, forgiveness is a gift you give to yourself as much as to your partner, so be generous with your apologies and strive to learn and grow from your experiences together. Chapter 9. Limiting complaints. While it's essential to address concerns and frustrations in your relationship, constantly complaining can create a negative atmosphere. Be mindful of how often you voice complaints and strive to offer support and encouragement to your partner. By focusing on the positive aspects of your relationship, you can create a more uplifting and supportive environment for both of you. Remember, a little gratitude goes a long way in keeping your relationship strong and resilient. So take the time to appreciate the good things you have together. Chapter 10. Seeking support. Don't be afraid to reach out for help when you need it. Whether it's talking to friends and family or seeking professional counseling, seeking support can provide valuable insights and guidance for addressing relationship issues. By prioritizing your emotional well-being and seeking support when necessary, you can work towards building a healthier and more fulfilling relationship. Remember, you don't have to navigate the challenges of your relationship alone, so reach out and lean on your support network when you need a helping hand. Chapter 11. Taking time for reflection. Pause and reflect on your relationship periodically. Set aside time to evaluate what's working well and what areas may need improvement. By taking an intentional approach to reflection, you can gain valuable insights into your relationship dynamics and identify opportunities for growth and development. Remember, self-awareness is the first step towards positive change, so be open to feedback and willing to make adjustments as needed. Chapter 12. Cultivating gratitude. Practicing gratitude is a powerful way to nurture your relationship and strengthen your bond with your partner. Take the time to express appreciation for the little things they do and acknowledge the positive aspects of your relationship. By cultivating gratitude, you can foster a deeper sense of connection and create a more positive and supportive relationship environment. Remember, small gestures of appreciation can have a big impact on your relationship, so make gratitude a regular part of your daily routine. Chapter 13. Embracing growth and change. Relationships are dynamic and ever-evolving. Embrace growth and change as natural parts of your journey together. Be open to learning and adapting as individuals and as a couple. By embracing growth and change, you can navigate the challenges of your relationship with resilience and grace, and create a more fulfilling and satisfying partnership. Remember, every obstacle you overcome together strengthens your bond and brings you closer together. So embrace the journey and cherish the moments of growth and transformation along the way. Conclusion. Addressing emotional drain in your relationship takes time and effort, but it's worth it. By implementing these 13 structured steps, you can create a stronger, more resilient bond with your partner and rediscover the joy of companionship. Remember, it's never too late to revitalize your relationship and create a happier and more fulfilling future together. So take the first step today and embark on this journey of growth, healing, and transformation with your partner by your side.